Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we'll be learning all about the whatis command. Advanced set of Linux command. Man command name displays a manual page of the command specified. What is command name is a summary line for the specific command in Linux. Command name --help is a detailed command name --help provides a detailed information of the command specified. Command name --info a detailed information of the command specified. Service gives the status of the service. Systemctl list unit dash systemctl unit files list all the services available, and tap list all the service users and server uptime. Now let's go ahead and practice this down. Voila, we're inside the instance. What was the first command we learned? The first command was the man command. Man command name. Let's write a dummy command, pwd. It will tell us all about it. Pwd, print brisk da 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 da. Now, if you want to quit, press Q. Now, next up, what was the next command? The whatis command. What is vi? Vi improved programmer text. What is ls? Ls list directory contents. Next up, command name --help. Let's type cat --help, and it tells us everything we need to know about cat. Now let's type cat --info. Okay, let's try ls --info. Now let's type service, and it tells us it gives us the status of the service. Yeah. Now systemctl list -unit files. Systemctl unit files list all the systems. It tells you it's disabled, static, disabled, enabled. It tells us everything about the systems. Now if we don't want to look at all the systems, we can just do escape, shift Z, shift ZZ. Then we can do top lowercase, all of it lowercase. It tells us all about everything, the system's uptime and the CPU, all about the system. Then you can press shift ZZ. We press Q to get out. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please watch the next video. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.